Algebra 1 skills number 8, adding and subtracting polynomials. Okay, so the rules here are when you add or subtract polynomials, you don't add or subtract the coefficients, but you retain the exponents. We don't change our exponents at all. So example here, we have a couple algebraic expressions or polynomials. We're adding here. Okay, so we take the like terms. Like terms are terms that are defined by having the same variable raised to the same power. So 2x squared and 4x squared we combine to make 6x squared. Notice we didn't change that to 6x to the fourth. So 2 plus 4 is 6. This is the only term that has an x. And then negative 9 plus 3 are constant terms. They add to negative 6. When you subtract, you have to be careful that minus does distribute in a sense to each of these terms. Okay, so that minus is going to change the signs of all of them. So 3x squared plus 7x plus 5, nothing happened here. But over here, all of them change. That minus becomes a plus and it causes all these to change. So now I'll proceed as if it were example 1. 3x squared and negative 3x squared is 0x squared, so you don't have to write it at all. There's no x squared here. 7x plus 2 is 9x, and then 5 minus 3 is 2. A third example shows that the minus goes through the parentheses but not beyond it. Okay, so 2, so notice the changes here, but nothing happened over here. Okay, so negative 9x and negative 2x, that's negative 11x. 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 6 is 13. When we write our answers, we'd like to write it in standard form, which is not much of an emphasis in Algebra 1, but standard form means the highest variable exponent first, followed by the next highest, and so forth.